Maintenance is the heartbeat of safe industrial operations. At TitanChem, we faced a critical challenge that put our commitment to safety to the test. During a routine pump servicing, a technician was unexpectedly engulfed in solvent vapor. This near miss highlighted a serious flaw in our safety protocols. Despite having well-documented procedures, execution was lacking. Complacency had crept in, and outdated standard operating procedures were being bypassed. We dug deep into the root causes, examining incident reports and safety charts. It became clear that recurring hazards stemmed from weak execution, lapsed training, and confusing procedures. We realized that a comprehensive safety audit was our first step forward. Inspectors meticulously checked pumps and compressors, uncovering poor lighting, faded signage, and overdue tools. The cluttered walkways were a stark reminder of the risks we faced daily. Next, we turned our focus to training. Realistic simulations became our new norm. Workers practiced proper lockout tagout procedures, and confined space rescue drills were conducted with precision. This hands-on approach transformed our training from mere lectures to engaging scenario-based experiences. Updating our standard operating procedures was crucial. Engineers and technicians collaborated to rewrite outdated protocols, ensuring clarity and simplicity. We emphasized the importance of ownership in these procedures, encouraging workers to verify and take responsibility for their actions. The physical work environment also needed attention. We implemented before and after transformations, clearing cluttered walkways and installing bright LED lights. New hazard signs were mounted and tools were organized on shadow boards, creating a safer workspace. Lockout/Tagout became a zero-tolerance priority. Workers were trained to attach red lockout devices, and supervisors diligently checked and tagged equipment. Our visual management board displayed isolation statuses, reinforcing the message, "No lockout, no work." However, we understood that procedures alone weren't enough. We fostered a culture of open communication through toolbox talks, where team members discussed safety concerns and near misses. Workers logged incidents using tablets, and management responded promptly to corrective actions. Ventilation fans were installed based on worker feedback, demonstrating that trust is built through action. 6 months later, we witnessed a transformation. Maintenance can either be the weakest link or the strongest shield in our operations. At TitanChem, we chose to be the shield, ensuring that safety is not a one-time fix but a continuous commitment to improvement.